Windows everyone. In this video I'm going to show you my Jarvis assistant, and this video has a really interesting part, important part, and if you don't want to miss this important part, all you need just watch the video until the end. And you are a new watcher in my channel, I know that, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and we're gonna start. So what Jarvis is gonna do, Jarvis is gonna answer to the 5 questions. One of them is gonna be more important. All right, so we can have some internet problems, but I will just repair it while in the video. All right, I will just cut this part of the video and I will try to correct these mistakes. So the first which I will ask from Jarvis is going to be go to my YouTube channel. Second question, go to the Google, and it's going to go to the Google, yeah, without any suspicion. But this one has one problem which I will just I will update it and I will make it like this. Jarvis, go to the Google. Jarvis, go to the Google and go to the search line, and Jarvis is asking you, what do you want me to write in a search line? And I say my wish, for example, YouTube, and it's going to write there YouTube, and that's all. So go to the Google plus numbers and 2 questions. So alright, so this question is not important. Jarvis, can I ask a question? I will ask, and I will get the permission from Jarvis. Will he let me to ask him question? Alright guys, so I think it's gonna let me. And last question is gonna be more important. Let's go.
Initializing Jarvis. Starting all systems applications. Installing and checking all drivers. Calibrating and examining all the core processors. Checking the internet connection. Wait a moment, sir.
Wow.
All drivers are up and running.
This is my boy.
All systems have been activated. Neural system connected with computer. Now I am online. Good afternoon. Currently it is 17 hours 37 minutes and 31 seconds. I am Jarvis. Online and ready, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Go to my YouTube channel. Look,
Yes, sir.
I don't touch anything. Look, everything is automatically happens. And depending on my internet. So great. Please don't make just mistake, alright? Don't make mistake. So
This is your channel, sir.
great.
I want the people who watching you to subscribe to this channel.
Thank you, Jarvis.
How can I help you, sir?
Plus numbers.
First number.
1.
Second number.
2. Great. Alright guys, so we got some internet problem. It's okay, I'm gonna just repeat it and come back again and I will ask the same question from Jarvis, and I will be soon here. I'm just gonna cut this part of the video when my internet is gone. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna just repeat this comment again, and let's just look what's gonna happen right now. What will happen, alright? So now I'm gonna just launch the program again. Great. Now we're gonna go to the run button.
Initializing Jarvis. Starting all systems applications. Installing and checking all drivers. Calibrating and examining all the core processors. Checking the internet connection. Wait a moment, sir. All drivers are up and running. All systems have been activated. Neural system connected with computer. Now I am online. Good afternoon. Currently it is 17 hours 46 minutes and 40 seconds. I am Jarvis. Online and ready, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Plus numbers.
First number.
15.
Second number.
13.
Answer is 29.
Thank you.
Sir, it's honor for me.
Alright guys, so plus, alright guys, I just said alright guys, and Jarvis is understood it and just understand that this command is not in his neural link, and we just got the 2 questions and one is more important. And now we're just going to ask Jarvis again 1 question, and I think yes, we're going to get an answer. Jarvis, can I ask you a question? Alright, so speech recognition is gone.
Please tell me how may I help you?
Jarvis, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir. I am always available for you.
Who is your daddy?
Sir, you are my daddy at the same time, creator. Thank you, Ikram, for creating me.
Thank you, Jarvis.
Sir, it's honor for me.
What is AI?
Sir, artificial intelligence, AI, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence.
Who is Elon Musk?
Sir, he is a billionaire founder Tesla, SpaceX, and more companies.
Goodbye. Alright, so the system is gonna go off. And okay guys, this was my Jarvis, and I think that you loved my Jarvis because I'm working on it a lot. So I'm working on it, and you know, the 99.9% of mistakes I hide from you, and I just try to show you the normal, great product application. But unfortunately, just depend on internet, alright? So when your internet is connection is not as you want, is not good, is not strong, so you're gonna have some problem with your Jarvis. But I will try to repair it, fix all problems day by day, step by step, and I will make great Jarvis. And in the future, I have a good plan with Jarvis, the greatest plan. And I want to make a film which is named Anonymous, alright? And if you will support my channel, yes, only you can support my channel. And if you want me to teach you a lot about this, all what you need, just go to the comment down below, write about this, and hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So I'm just going to end the video, and I just will tell it again that I think that you loved my video. My wish is give you the useful information, alright? So by the way, I just changed my title of my video. Now my channel name is Windows Zoneline, but Zoneline is not gonna be visible for you here. For example, subscribe from here and support me, and we will be the best YouTube channel, programming channel in YouTube. Okay guys, thank you, stay with me, and I love you.